Dear Highlights is a carefully curated collection of letters and emails and poems and drawings that kids have sent to Highlights over our 75-year history. We think we've received more than 2 million pieces of correspondence from kids, and we've answered every child who writes to us. In every reply we write to kids, the first thing we always do is validate their feelings. We believe that children are the world's most important people, worthy of the thoughtful and loving attention of adults. The book is full of letters that are charming and funny, letters that will make you smile, but the book also contains more serious letters. And childhood is a period of heavy lifting for kids. We hope it will remind adult readers to lean in and listen to kids. It's so important for kids to feel heard and acknowledged.